The Tetra Pak filling machine speed 2300 box per hour, used for filling juice, water, wine, any liquid in 125 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 250 milliliters, 330 milliliters, 500 milliliters and 1000 milliliters. Because plastic packaging has serious environmental pollution, so the Tetra Pak paper packaging juice is becoming more and more popular. We are the factory who located in China, produced Tetra Pak packagings and filling machine, researched out 2300 box per hour machine and 5000 box per hour machine. We also have straw applicator, date printer, conveyor for you choose. Please add my hats up 0086-18,032,710,872 or send mail to me packingmachine@aliyn.com. Waiting for your calling.